This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we'll discuss programs line statement, and the module is module 12 in GW Basic Programming Language. Chapter is graphics. We have discussed a few line statements in our previous videos, and today we'll discuss some more. So today we'll discuss a line statement with line having the coordinates s1 y1 as 10, 10 minus 20, 20 like this, and then comma 2. So it actually draws a line in color 2 if screen 1 is previously specified. So let's execute this program in the IDE. Screen 1 like this, so I will work in screen 1. So I will type line 10, 10 minus 20, 20, and color 2 will be used, so you can see program L a line like this over here. If I increase the number, like I gonna give it like 200 10 and then minus 100 100 2, then draw a line like this. So here the values were same, so if I again type like line 200 or I can give 100 100 like this, minus 200 200 2, then you can see a screen like this, line this. So alternatively you can draw lines like this. Here you can give different coordinates and you can draw an arrow like this, because here the x1 coordinate was 200, means that from here if you start counting x1 coordinates like over here, and the value of the y1 coordinate is starting from the 1.1 2 3 4 5 6 7 up to 10. So 10 is the position, 10 pixel. So 100 is the value of x2, means that it will be subtracted from 200 and the value will be 100. So and the value of y1 is 100, which is again lesser than 200. So you can see over here the point is over here, because 100 will be subtracted from 200 and only 100 will remain. Over here the number of x2 value, which is over here, and 200 is over here, and y2 is 100, means that it will be increased from 10 till it goes till y2, which is the number 100 pixel. Likewise I draw one more line, like I have given the value 100, so if you start counting from here, it is the same value 100 over here, x1, and y1 is 100, means if you start counting from over here, then y1 is over here. We have given the value of y2 is 100, and here we have given the value of y1 is 100, so it is the same point from where I'm gonna start the next line. And minus 200 means that this 200 will be subtracted from 100, makes 100. So the value of x2 is again 200. So the y value you can see over here is 200 over here. So there will be increment starting from 100 to 200 over here. The value of x2 is 200, so you can see over here the value of x2. So this is how we can draw an arrow like this by using this code, by using the screen 2. So let's discuss this program in the text area. I want to draw an arrow, so we'll work in screen 1 like this. Here we'll type line. First we'll give the value of x1 is 200, and then the value of y1 is 10 minus value of x1 is 100 and value of y1 is 100, and give 2 as a color. You can see here there is, you can see the line is drawn like this, because the coordinate of x1 is 200, means that 200 is the point over here, which is the value x1, and 10th is the y1. That means if you start counting the pixel from top, 1 2 3 4 5 7 8 9 10, the point lies over here, and the value of x1 is 100, which is lesser than 200 meters. The arrow will be start drawing from here, and then the ending point is x2. Since the value of y2 is also 100, so 10 will be increased from here, and then slightly it will goes around the pixels, you can see, till it reaches the value of 100. So there are total from 10 to 100 90 pixels. You can see, if you start counting it, then you can see 90 pixels like this. And if you want to draw an arrow like this, one more line, then you can type line. Over here you want to draw from this point. So this point is actually 100 of x1, and you need to draw it from over here, so you will give the value of y1 as 100 as well. But here, since you want to show it over here, because I'm going to draw an arrow like this, so the value of x2 will become 200. This is the 200 point of x1. Now I'm going to give the value of x2 as 200, and the value of y1 is also increased as 100. It will be incremented, so we will add 100 into it. So 100 plus 100 makes 200, so we'll give 200 comma 2. So in the end, viewers, you can see an arrow like this. So this code is very helpful in drawing an arrow like this. So let's switch to the text area. So viewers, now we will discuss one more program. It is used to draw lines forever using random attributes. And how it is done, let's see. We'll line 10 we will type CLS, line 20 we will type line hyphen RND random value. Random statement is used, which will multiply the number coordinates randomly. 319 comma RND into 199 comma RND into 4, and line 30 we'll type go to 20. We'll press the F4 key and type RND line.bas, name of the program. Now we'll press the F2 key. So illegal function call in line 20. So we can see actually use the specifier. So we need to specify the screen statement. We haven't used it, therefore we received an illegal function call message. We'll type screen 9, and over here we'll type line 10 we'll type CLS, line 20 we'll type line dash RND into 31. So we always need to specify the line screen mode, screen number, otherwise we will not be able to see all these graphics on the screen, because it's very important to specify the screen mode first in order to use all the graphical statements in GW Basic. So we're gonna execute this program. Type go to 20, press the F4 key and type RND line.bas, name of the program. Now press the F2 key. So you can see this is the output of the printer. This is actually using the random statement, which will randomly select these lines with different colors. Random into 4 means that 4 colors are, you can see 4 colors are there: green, red, blue, and black lines. So all these lines you can see are randomly selected, and we can see this demonstration on the screen. This type of randomly lines are shown in on the screen with the help of the random statement. So we have used the go to statement, which will force the program to transfer the control from line 30 to 20. So every time it repeats again and again, and you can see the lines again and again. It's multiple lines, random lines on the screen with the help of this program. So let's switch to the IDE text area, where I will explain the execution of this program. So here that was the actual program we have just executed, and we have seen the output on the screen as well, that randomly 4 colors are displayed on the screen again and again on different positions, because we have used the statement random. 319 and random 199 means that 319 and 199 are the coordinates in which these lines will be displayed with random randomly 4 colors can be seen on the screen, because we have used RND into 4, so 4 colors can be seen. But if you increase the number of colors, then you can definitely see more colors on the screen. So it is actually, we have discussed this. So I'm gonna highlight in yellow like this, all these statements, all these programs. So this was actually it actually draws lines forever using random attributes. I'm gonna highlight it. This is how this function, this is how this statement give us result of this output. You can see the lines forever using the random attributes. One more program, so for drawing an alternating pattern, line on, line off. So we'll discuss over here. Program draws an alternating pattern, line on, line off. So let's see how it is done. We will execute a program in the IDE. I'm gonna give like this. This is the heading, so I'm gonna one more program. So how it is done, let's switch to the IDE, where I'm gonna execute this program and draw and see how an alternating pattern line on and off can be seen on the screen. So let's switch to the IDE. So we will again use the screen mode, screen 9. Now I will type line 10 CLS, line 20. I will type line dash RND into 639, comma RND into 199, comma RND into 2. So this is used for color, comma BF field box 30, go to 20. Now I will save this pressing the F4 key. I'm going to type name as pattern.bas, name of the program. Now I'm going to press the F2 key so you can see field boxes. I've used with the RNG2, so you can see just 2 colors. If you want to have more colors, then you can always give a different value. So like if I'm gonna give a different value, I will type one more program. So viewers, I'm gonna use, first I will list the program. I will load the program. I'll press the F3 key and now type the name of the program as pattern.bas, and now I'm gonna type LIS list to see the code of this program. Over here we have used 2 colors, and BF is the filled box because the box was filled with the colors. So I'm gonna use different colors, like I'm gonna use 12 colors, multiple colors. So I'm gonna change this line and type edit line 20. Okay, edit 20, and then type RND comma 12 colors and type BF like this. So changes are saved. By pressing the F4 key again, type the name of the file pattern.bas, and then press the CLS statement, type list once again. So that was the program, but before executing it we have to specify the screen mode. So I'm going to type screen 9 to see the output. First we can type list to see the code. Here I have used 12 instead of 2, so here you can see more number of colors as compared to the before program which was previously executed. So I'm going to type F2. I'm going to press the F2 key. So here you can see a very beautiful multiple filled boxes with 12 different colors. So we can use multiples, give multiple values again and again to check and increase our knowledge that how we can use different color values, different filled box values, X and Y coordinates. Every time we can use different values, we can see different output on the screen. So there's very beautiful output you can see on the screen. So it keep printing on the alternating pattern, line on and line off, by using this line statement. Very helpful. So let's switch to the text area. I'm gonna discuss this program over there with the interpretation of it. So my dear viewers, that was the program, that was the code, and we have used 12 different colors, and with the BF statement, filled boxes with different colors are randomly were displayed on the screen, and were being displayed on the screen with the help of these, and it keep on displaying it again and again and again and again, because it's a forever non-stop ongoing process, because we have used the random statement and have used go to 20, which will compile and force the program to transfer the control to line 20, and every time it gives a new number, then next line number 30 is executed. But here the go to statement is there, so go to statement will force the program to show and display the multiple lines and filled boxes with multiple colors. Every time you see a different size of box with different size of color. So this is very helpful in generating the movement of any object, any box, any pattern, any color. With the help of this program, you can use multiple values over here, and you can see multiple different boxes of different sizes having different colors. Very helpful program and very useful program in learning the concept of line statement, viewers. So viewers, that's all for today. In our next videos, we will be discussing more examples to understand and build our concept of understanding line statement more stronger. That's all, viewers. Thanks for watching.